Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best garage floor mats on Amazon. Garage floors are exposed to a lot more dirt, liquids, and grime than the floors inside of your home. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Drymate Large Premium Absorbent Garage Floor Mat. Drymate's product does a good job of trapping, containing, and absorbing a wide variety of vehicle liquids such as motor oil, radiator fluid, power steering fluid, and gasoline. It's a reusable, durable option for a home garage. You can also use it to trap grass and dirt from the bottom of your shoes before entering your home. The mat is made of waterproof, long-lasting polyester fiber that is simple to clean with soap and water, and you can also use a vacuum to remove unwanted dirt and debris. Each mat features a non-slip backing to prevent it from sliding around on the floor. 2. What we like about it. Reusable and durable. Simple to clean. Won't slide around the floor. What we don't like about it. A little on the small side. Material is not heat resistant. Edges may fold in. Number 2. Armor All Garage Floor Mat. Armor All's car-length floor mat is specifically designed to protect the garage floor from stains and spills. The dense fabric absorbs and contains moisture and prevents liquid from leaking or soaking through to the floor, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up messes. Each mat is easy to install with the included double-sided tape. The strong adhesive polyolefin rubber clings firmly to nearly any surface, enabling you to park on top of it and use it as a parking mat. The mat is also simple to cut with scissors, and the firm edges will not fray or split. 2 downsides are the mats are a little pricey and may come with wrinkles that don't fade over time. What we like about it. Good floor coverage. Absorbs moisture and liquids. Easy to install. What we don't like about it. Pricey. Maybe wrinkled out of the packaging. A little thin. Number 3. Heavy-duty MotoFloor Guard Compact Size Containment Mat. This catch-all floor mat measures 7.9 feet wide by 16 feet long. It contains leaks and provides excellent protection for a garage floor. What sets this mat apart from other brands is the outside edge has a built-in raised containment edge to keep snow, ice, and mud within the confines of the mat. It is made of heavy-duty polyester scrim with a PVC coating, making it lightweight, flexible, and wrinkle-resistant. It also has stay-put corners to keep the mat in place once you lay it down on the ground. One downside with this mat is that it doesn't look as nice as some rival garage floor mats. What we like about it. Raised edges keep liquids contained. Lightweight and flexible. Stay-put corners. What we don't like about it. Design makes it a trip risk. Can move when you drive over it. Can be difficult to clean. Number 4. Calasoneer Oil Spill Mat. If you change your own oil, then you need this mat from Calasoneer, as the mat's top layer is an absorbent felt material, while the backside is a non-slip waterproof layer. Just lay it down under your vehicle and cleanup from spills becomes a cinch. This mat comes in a 36-inch square and is washable. The material is anti-wear and anti-tear to make it ideal for long-term use, and you can also cut the mat to the perfect size you need. Unfortunately, this mat is thin but lightweight, which makes moving it around fairly easy. Absorbency, however, could be impacted, but you really shouldn't be spilling gallons of oil or radiator fluid onto the ground. What we like about it. Absorbs oil. Non-slip backing. Washable and reusable. What we don't like about it. Material is thin. Easily moves or flaps due to wind or fan exposure. May not absorb liquid as well as other options. Number 5. Shield Family Floor Protector Premium Absorbent Oil Mat. This large absorbent mat from Shield Family is durable and comes as a 5x8 foot square, however, you can cut it to any size that you need or want. The material is an impermeable membrane that won't allow liquids to leak through, and you can place it under any type of vehicle, including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and golf carts. What we like about it. Liquids won't leak through. Works under vehicles, trash, cans, appliances, and more. Durable and reusable. What we don't like about it. It's large, so cleaning it can be a hassle. Mat can move when you drive on it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.